again. It's a redskin.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, JMB Fishing. Today we're out here. It's Friday morning. We just had some light rain come in last night or yesterday. Windy. Today's a nice calm flat day. I think it's about 47 degrees right now. Water temp, we are at 53. We're going to try the drop shot out, just drag it on the bottom, see what we can pick up. What we're going to do is we're going to use the trolling motor and just let it troll us around extremely slow. I'm going to drag the drop shot on the bottom. So let's see. I am marking a lot of trout. There's a lot of trout around me. So what I'm doing here is I'm not even moving the rod. I'm letting the trolling motor drag me. I have it on the lowest setting that I can go. I'm barely moving. I'm just feeling my drop shot weight dragging on the bottom, letting the worm do all the action. I have a feeling we're going to pick one up right now. We're fishing about 45 feet of water. So we're fishing pretty deep. Most of the time, when you get that bite, it's not a bite. They're not going to hit it. They're just going to pull. Your rod tip is just going to get, your pole's going to get heavy. So you got to keep an eye out for that. They're not very active right now. It's definitely a boring way to fish. There's one. There we go. Boring. You gotta have patience. Patience is key with these. Not a big guy, but definitely better than nothing. And what you got to do is you got to get them back in the water right away. You don't want to keep them out because they've come from 55 feet deep. You got to make sure they get back to the bottom. There he goes. There's another one. Well, this is a nice one. That's a nice one. Nice healthy one. But again, we got to hurry up and get them back in the water. That way you can go back down. There we go, straight back down to the bottom. There's another one. Oh my This is a monster. Ah, look at that tank. Look at that. The belly skirt. Barely hooked him. The hook came out. Look at that. A nice winter bass right there. Woo! That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Oh, beautiful. Look at that thing. Nice. Let him go. Straight back down to the bottom. Nice one. This is a nice one. Another big, nice one. There are definitely some nice ones down there right now. We're gonna let her go. So we got four. We got four so far, all on the drop shot. Been fishing 40 to 60 feet deep, but let's try to get that fifth one, get that limit, and then we'll head out of here. Oh, I lost him. There's one. There's number 5. See if he wants to come up. Another solid one. Another solid one. Got him right on the top of the lip. Their bellies are solid, so they are definitely eating. Look at how big his belly is. Solid. They are extremely cold. He is full. Holy moly. That's a nice one. Again, 50 to 60 feet. We got our limit today. Not bad. let me go over what I was using. 6-pound test, fluorocarbon, size 1 hook, 6-inch Roboworm. Short leader, 6-inch Roboworm. This is a 1/2 ounce drop shot weight. It's from Ed's Sinker Shop out in Turlock, California. That's all I'm using. Drop shot is not, the leader's not that long. They're sitting right on the bottom. That's it. That was the money today. All right, YouTube. Thanks for watching the video. That's all I have for today. I'm gonna get off the water, go home, relax, spend some time with the family. I hope you guys enjoyed this. The wintertime can be really, really difficult. A lot of people don't come out just because how tough it can be. But don't stay at home, sit on the couch, get off the couch, come out here, grind it out, try to get that limit. It's definitely tough to get a limit in the wintertime. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.